8 people died in an early morning accident today at Timboroa along the Nakuru Eldoret Highway. The accident, which reportedly occurred at 3 a.m., involved a bus belonging to Crown Bus Services and an articulated truck. The bus is reported to have been traveling to Kakamega from Mombasa, while the lorry was heading to Eldoret from Nakuru. Raquel Muigai reports.
It of the early morning Timboroa accident. The wreckage of the ill-fated bus showing the impact of the crash. The accident is said to have occurred when the bus driver tried to avoid an oncoming trailer while overtaking another vehicle before hitting a stalled lorry, cutting short 7 lives and leaving 26 others seriously injured.
The driver of the bus wanted to overtake the trailer which was ahead of him, but on seeing the oncoming vehicle, he decided to not to overtake, and so he slammed into the trailer from the back.
Huyu ana overtake trailer ndiye akaingia katikati yake. Hivyo ndio vimefanyika, watu wamekufa wengi, watoto wangu pia wamekufa wawili. Kwa hivyo ndio imekuwa.
According to survivors, the bus left Mombasa for Kakamega at around 3 p.m. But on arrival in Nairobi at around 1 a.m., a different driver took over the bus.
Kutoka Mombasa tumesafiri sawa, lakini driver walipobadilishana kutoka Nairobi kuja kuelekea Mumias, ndio walikuwa wanajaribu kwenda mwendo wa kasi kwa sababu alikuwa analalamika basi imechelewa.
Kutoka naye Mombasa alikuwa anaendesha gari polepole vizuri, lakini kutoka Nairobi kuja huku alikuwa anaendesha gari mbio. Alafu hata akiambiwa gari lisimame watu wajisaidie hataki.
21 of the survivors were rushed to the Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital to receive further treatment. The other survivors were ferried to other hospitals within Eldama Ravine.
All the 21 are in stable condition. Some have been taken to theatre already, and the others do not. Majority actually will not require theatre as such, but will be treated and observed in the emergency department.
The accident comes in the wake of new rules by the National Transport and Safety Authority to curb the cases of speeding on Kenyan highways, especially at accident-prone areas, the Timboroa stretch being one of them. Raquel Muigai, KTN News.